Respiratory issues are issues that deal mostly with the lungs, throat, and mouth, and there are times when these issues get as bad as not being able to eat properly or at all. In this video, I will give 10 tips for eating easily when you have respiratory problems. 1. Drink more water. It's important to maintain proper hydration for your overall well-being, as it also supports optimal lung function. Drinking water can be beneficial for individuals with lung diseases like COPD, as it helps to thin the mucus produced by the lungs. This, in turn, can make breathing easier and more comfortable. 2. Clear your airways. If you experience difficulty breathing while eating, it may be helpful to clear mucus from your lungs approximately 1 hour before your meal. One method you could consider is controlled coughing, which helps to loosen mucus and facilitate its movement through the airways. Another option is postural drainage, which involves lying in various positions to help drain mucus from the lungs. If those methods are not effective, you could consider chest percussion as an alternative. This involves gently tapping your chest and neck to help loosen the mucus in your lungs. 3. Security first. It is important to prioritize safety when handling chemicals and contaminants. Make sure to wear appropriate safety equipment, such as a mask or respirator, and work in a well-ventilated area. Examples of these activities include sanding, painting, gardening, and using specific cleaning products in the bathroom or kitchen. It is always advisable to wear a mask while in crawl spaces and attics to protect your lungs from potential harm caused by fine particles and mold. Enhance the quality of the air. Enhance the air quality within your living space. It is particularly crucial during the current pandemic, when a larger number of individuals are spending more time indoors and at home. Maintain a clean home by regularly vacuuming, dusting, sweeping, and wiping down surfaces. It is recommended that the sheets be replaced as necessary or that they be washed on a weekly basis. It's perfectly fine to enter your house without shoes or a jacket. 4. Ban the bloat. Some foods can be quite bothersome, not only for your digestion, but also for your breathing comfort. Surprisingly, some of the most common culprits are actually nutritious foods that we are familiar with and enjoy. Some foods like beans, broccoli, and apples can cause gas because they contain a lot of fiber or certain sugars that our bodies struggle to fully digest. However, it's worth noting that processed foods and indulgences, such as greasy fried meals and fizzy drinks, can also lead to bloating and gas. This happens when they put a strain on your digestive system or introduce too much air into your gut. Identifying your own personal triggers is crucial for maintaining a sense of ease and ensuring your stomach remains content. There is no universal solution, so maintaining a food diary can be quite helpful in this situation. Once you've recognized the foods that may cause discomfort, it's best to avoid them or consume them in moderation to maintain a healthy digestive system and optimal lung function. 5. Cut back on salt. Excessive sodium intake can lead to fluid retention, which can unexpectedly burden your lungs with additional water weight. To address this issue, it is important to adopt a balanced approach when using salt. It's a good idea to avoid adding salt while cooking and remove the salt shaker from your table. Appreciate the strength of delicious alternatives. Make effort to find out the wide range of herbs and spices that can enhance the flavor of your food without adding sodium. They bring a delightful depth of taste to your dishes. Finally, master the art of reading labels. It's important to be mindful of the sodium content when you go shopping. Try to choose options that have less than 300 milligrams per serving. This simple switch can have a significant impact on your comfort while breathing. 6. Put nutritious foods first. Many individuals with respiratory issues face significant challenges. It's interesting to note that breathing, something we often overlook, can actually burn up to 10 times more calories for individuals with healthy lungs. This can result in a potentially harmful cycle of weight loss if you fail to consume an adequate amount of calories to meet your body's heightened requirements. Feeling exhausted halfway through a meal is a frequent experience. In order to address this issue, it is important to ensure that each bite is meaningful. Focus on incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet that are also high in calories. Consider incorporating lean protein sources such as fish, chicken, or tofu into your diet. These options can help with muscle repair and provide a longer-lasting feeling of fullness. It's important to be aware of the nutritional value of the food we consume, especially when it comes to calorie-dense snacks like chips and candy. These snacks provide a temporary energy boost but lack nutritional value, leaving you feeling unsatisfied and still far from meeting your daily calorie needs. 7. Opt for simple and quick meal options. By conserving energy while cooking, you can fully enjoy the delectable meal you've prepared. It's a good idea to plan your meals in advance and opt for recipes that require fewer ingredients and less time to prepare. This reduces the amount of time you spend bent over cutting boards and hot stoves. Make your kitchen more efficient by organizing your frequently used tools within easy reach. You may also want to consider keeping a chair by the counter to provide a comfortable spot for those times when meal preparation becomes a bit overwhelming. Finally, give batch cooking a try. Prepare generous amounts of meals that can be stored in the freezer for later use on days when you have plenty of energy. Then, on those evenings when even lifting a fork feels like a chore, you can easily heat up a pre-made meal and savor a delicious, time-saving dinner. 8. Add protein. Protein is crucial for a healthy diet, and this is particularly important for individuals with respiratory issues. It's important to prioritize your health by incorporating nutritious meals into your daily routine. By consuming a balanced diet, you can support the strength of your breathing muscles and reduce the risk of infections. Great sources of protein include eggs, lean meat, fish, poultry, legumes, and nuts. You can easily incorporate additional nutrients into your meals by adding powdered milk or protein powder to soups, hot cereal, or mashed potatoes. 9. Savor your food. When you have a meal, try to make it a mindful eating experience that lasts about 20 minutes. Take your time to fully chew each bite of food. This not only promotes better digestion, but also reduces the likelihood of experiencing uncomfortable bloating caused by excess air in your stomach. Pause for a moment during your meal, setting aside your fork after each bite. This will give you the opportunity to take a deep breath and truly savor the delicious flavors and delightful textures of your food. This approach can have a significant impact on your post-meal well-being. 10. Rethink meal times. It's a good idea to plan your meals based on when you feel the most energized. If you find yourself feeling fatigued around 5 p.m., consider shifting your dinner time earlier by an hour. Additionally, dinner can be enjoyed as a lighter meal instead of the main course. If you find that your energy level tends to decrease throughout the day, it may be helpful to consider having a more substantial breakfast. Invest in your health journey by watching Master Your Blood Sugar, 10 Hacks for No-Carb Limit Success. Managing your blood sugar levels is not only essential for individuals with respiratory issues, but also vital for overall health and well-being. Discover practical tips and insights to optimize your blood sugar levels, boost your energy, and enhance your overall health. Take the next step towards a healthier you. Watch now. If you follow these tips, you may surely get better within a few days. For more diet and nutrition tips, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more information. Thanks for watching.